Alright, now that I've shown you CLS, that's clear screen command, I'll be using it in my subsequent class. So I know that you already know when I write CLS now, that is to clear screen. The command to wipe the board for me to write the next one. So today class is on locate. The locate command is used to choose where on the screen your text will appear. The screen has up and down rows and then left and right column. Up and down rows and then left and right column. For example, if I said locate, let's say column 5, then row 5 column 10, and on it print Mr. Coding. Okay, so when I run this program, of course on row 5 and column 10 on my screen, this will appear. Okay, so it is assumed, because I don't have much things on my screen to show, it is assumed that row 5 column 10 is somewhere here. Let me change it again so that we'll see the difference in the next screen. Watch this one carefully. I'm going to change the row and column and you see where it will appear on the screen. So let me change this 5 to, let's say, 15, row 15, and this one to column let's say column 30. Okay, column 30 and row 5. You know this will be different now, and let's watch where on the screen row and column will appear, so you know how to use the locate command when writing in Qbasic programming. You notice where this one appear, Mr. Coding appear now. You see, if I have much information and data on the screen, you see this is what it will happen. I said on row 15 column 30 print Mr. Coding there, and you see on the screen, according to the size of the screen, this is where row 15 column 30 will be, and this is what I want to appear there. That is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.